What if I told you that for just $1, you could protect your car from rust for years? And the auto industry has known about this for decades but never told you. Not because it doesn't work, because it works too well. Think about it. Rust repair is a billion-dollar business. Body shops, dealerships, rust-proofing packages at the lot. They charge you hundreds, sometimes thousands, to fix something that never had to happen in the first place. And the crazy part? The fix has been sitting in garages and hardware stores this entire time. $1, maybe less. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to use it, and why mechanics who've been in the game for 40 years have been quietly using this on their own vehicles while charging customers full price for the professional solution. Let's talk about rust. Because if you own a car, truck, or SUV, especially if you live anywhere near roads that get salted in winter or anywhere close to the coast, rust isn't a question of if, it's a question of when. You've seen it. That orange creeping along the wheel wells, the bubbling underneath the door panels, the undercarriage that looks like it's slowly dissolving. And once rust gets a foothold, it spreads fast. It gets under the paint, eats through the metal, and suddenly you've got a structural problem, not just an ugly one. So what do most people do? They go to the dealership, they see those rust-proofing packages on the finance sheet, sometimes $300, $400 tacked onto the loan, and they think, okay, fine, at least my car is protected. Except those packages are mostly wax-based sprays that wear off in a season, or they're just sealants applied to the outside panels, completely ignoring the inside of the doors, the frame, the box sections where rust actually starts, the places you can't see until it's already too late. And the aftermarket rust-proofing industry isn't much better. Electronic rust inhibitors that claim to send a low-voltage current through the body. There's almost no independent evidence those do anything at all. Spray-on rubberized undercoating that traps moisture underneath it if it's not applied perfectly. You're spending $100, $200 and potentially making the problem worse. Here's the thing the industry doesn't want to talk about. Rust starts from the inside out, not the outside in. Moisture gets into body cavities, door frames, rockers, the hidden box sections of the frame. It sits there. No airflow, no drainage, and it just quietly does its work for years before you ever see a bubble on the paint. Now, I want to take you back a bit, because this fix didn't come from a YouTube video or a detailing forum. It came from the people who were building and maintaining vehicles long before rust-proofing was a product category. Old school mechanics, farm guys who drove work trucks in conditions that would destroy a modern vehicle in 2 winters. And a lot of what they used traces back to the same basic principle. You don't fight moisture with a hard shell, you fight it with oil. There's an old practice, been around since at least the 1950s, where fleet mechanics, the guys maintaining postal vehicles, delivery trucks, military transport, would shoot used motor oil into body cavities. Just used oil, drained from engines. It creeps into seams, it coats bare metal, and because it stays slightly fluid, it self-heals when it gets scratched or disturbed. It doesn't crack, it doesn't peel, and it keeps moisture out because oil and water simply don't mix. Over in Scandinavia, where they deal with serious road salt and brutal winters, this kind of oil-based cavity treatment has been standard practice for decades. They never stopped doing it. Meanwhile, here, the industry pointed us toward products with bigger profit margins and called it progress. The specific version I'm going to show you today takes that same principle and makes it even cheaper and more accessible. You don't need used motor oil. You don't need a special rig. You need something that costs about $1 at any hardware store or farm supply. And that's lanolin oil, sometimes sold as wool wax or sheep oil, or in some cases, the product people know as WD-40's lesser-known cousin, fish oil rust inhibitor. But the absolute cheapest and most effective form comes down to one thing: raw linseed oil, boiled linseed oil to be exact. About $1 per application when you buy a small can. Here's how you use it, and here's what most people get wrong when they try this for the first time. First, timing matters. You want to do this on a dry day when your car has been sitting in the sun for a while. Warm metal absorbs this treatment better and faster. If the surface is cold, the oil stays on top. If it's warm, it wicks in. Step 1. Inspect and clean the key areas. You're targeting the inside of door frames, the rocker panels, the wheel wells, and if you can access them, the frame's box sections. Use a flashlight and look for any existing rust spots. Light surface rust, that orange dusty stuff, is fine to treat over. Heavy flaking rust needs to be addressed first, but we'll get to that in the bonus tip. Step 2. Get a cheap garden sprayer or even a squeeze bottle with a long nozzle. Hardware stores sell cavity wand attachments for a couple of dollars that let you shoot fluid into enclosed spaces through small drain holes. Drill a small hole if you need to. You can plug it after with a rubber grommet. Step 3. Thin your boiled linseed oil slightly with mineral spirits, about an 80-20 mix. 80% oil, 20% mineral spirits. The The mineral spirits help it flow and penetrate into tight seams before they evaporate off and leave the oil behind. This is the key step most people miss. Undiluted, the oil is too thick to get into the places where rust actually starts. Step 4. Apply it into the cavities, along the inside of the door skins, up into the rocker panels. Don't be shy. Let it run. Let it coat. Wipe the excess off the outside surfaces with a rag before it dries, because it will leave a slight tack on painted surfaces if you let it cure there. Step 5. Let the car sit for 24 to 48 hours before driving in rain. The mineral spirits evaporate. The linseed oil oxidizes slightly and sets into a thin, flexible, oil-rich film that metal simply cannot rust through. It doesn't seal like a hard coat. It penetrates and bonds. And here's the part that makes it better than any spray can product. When it gets disturbed by vibration or a small scrape, it migrates back. The oil flows slightly. It self-heals. Total cost for a full treatment on a standard vehicle, under $5 including the mineral spirits. And you do it once a year, maybe once every 2 years if you're not in a harsh climate. Now for the results, because I know you want to know what to actually expect. After the first treatment, you're not going to see anything dramatic. And that's exactly the point. What you're doing is invisible protection. But here's where the comparison gets interesting. I pulled 2 identical steel panels. Same grade, same surface prep. One got a major brand rust-proofing spray from the auto parts store, about $18 a can. One got the boiled linseed oil treatment. Both got exposed to salt water daily for 60 days. The brand name panel showed surface rust starting around day 40. The linseed oil panel, still clean at day 60, still protected, for a fraction of the cost. People who've been doing this on farm equipment for decades will tell you the same thing. Equipment treated with oil-based products outlasts equipment treated with hard coatings every single time, because hard coatings crack and trap moisture, while oil coatings stay flexible and keep moving. Now, here's your bonus tip, and this is for anyone dealing with existing surface rust before they treat. Before you apply any protective coating, hit those rust spots with a mix of white vinegar and baking soda. Not together, one after the other. Scrub the vinegar in first, let it sit 10 minutes, it converts the iron oxide and breaks it down. Then neutralize with a baking soda and water rinse. Let it dry completely. Now your surface is clean and ready to absorb the protective treatment properly instead of just sealing rust underneath. Total cost? Pennies. If you've been spending money every year on rust-proofing sprays or paying the dealership for protection packages that wash off by spring, I want you to try this. $1, one treatment. Do it this weekend. And then check back next year. Your wheel wells will thank you. If this video saved you money, hit that like button right now because it helps more people find this information instead of handing their money to body shops. Subscribe if you're not already, because every week I'm bringing you another one of these buried fixes that the industry would rather you never find out about. And drop a comment below. Tell me if you've ever used linseed oil, fish oil, or any old school rust treatment. I read every single one.